Hey, what's up guys, this is Ken over at Grom Audio, and today I'm in a 2017 Toyota RAV4. So I'm going to show you guys how to take the radio apart so we can install our VLine unit. So to start out in this vehicle, we have to remove this top trim first. So it spans from the middle all the way to the right side of the passenger side. I'm going to start with the right corner, and I have my plastic pry tools. So I'm going to go ahead and just start from the right corner from the top. And this piece actually pulls out towards you. Do not try to lift up on the piece. It comes out at you. So I'm going to start by... Okay. So a little snap. So you can see it's coming out towards me. And then be careful at this corner right here. There's some tabs here. And because this piece is really thin, because of the clock right here, display. So just again, take your plastic pry tool and just give it a little twist. That snaps off and comes out towards you. And then you can see the tabs, how they're facing up, so they go in. So, okay, put that aside. Then we got the display here for the clock and for the, looks like the immobilizer. And that just snaps out. So I'm just use my fingers and just snap it out here, and then be careful, there is one plug behind it for the wiring harness, so just be gentle. There it is. And then I'm gonna lift that up and you can see there's the connector. Just gonna go ahead and unplug that. So there's that. Okay, put that aside. Then I'm gonna remove the vents, and I'm again use the plastic pry tool. Just kind of come down here and just give a little twist. It'll snap off. Just give it. Okay. So there it is. Comes out towards me. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the driver's side. So there's that. Okay. And then with the radio, there are 4 bolts, one on each side here and one on each side there. And those are 10 millimeter. Okay. Alright guys, now that I got the 4 bolts removed, I got my microfiber cloth. I'm just going to lay that here for now, or just see if I can just lay it here, or just keep it around this area for now. I'm going to tuck it in as soon as I lift up the radio. And there's 4 tabs also. Once you remove the bolts, there's 4 tabs on the frame of the radio that actually holds it into the dash. There's similar snapped-on tabs like how the trim was. So just gently just kind of pull back on it. You hear kind of click, so there's that. So now that the radio's loose, go ahead and just put my microfiber cloth below it so that I don't scratch the climate control. Okay, so just tuck that in there, and you can see if I can show you guys the tabs I'm talking about. So they're kind of, there's one right here, there's another right here, and then same on the opposite side. So that's it guys. This is how you take out a radio off a 2017 Toyota RAV4. Here it is, the back of the radio. I just want to show you guys the connections that I made. I've actually already made the connections. Here's my MCF TEN cable. This is the cable that you would receive in the kit. This is for the power. And then there's one more cable. This is for the video. So the connections I have made were to here, here, and here. So if I grab my MCF TEN cable, so this plug went into here, and then the factory side will go back into this end, and then this plug here went into here, like so. And the factory side again went back here. And then for the VTEN cable, which is the video cable, this plug went into here, like so, and then the factory side again goes to the other end. So that's it. That's all the connections behind the radio, and I was able to mount the VLine inside the glove box. And with a Toyota, the glove box is pretty open. There's no roof or ceiling on top of the glove box where you have to modify and cut a hole or anything like that. So I was able to just reach in with my hand from back here and snake the wires through the glove box, and I was able to just feed the wires that way and plug in the VLine. So that's it, guys. That's how you run the wires and connect the VLine into the